In our last video, we talked about different ways in which a person can improve their vocabulary. So, I've decided to start this kind of series of videos in which we will talk about, in detail, we will talk about the ways in which a person can improve their vocabulary, particularly through reading. So these four main ways are through newspapers, through books, through novels or stories, and through apps or websites. So in this video, we're going to talk about how someone can improve their vocabulary by reading newspapers. When a person is reading newspaper to improve their vocabulary, then there are certain methods or tips that the person should follow to help them effectively build their vocabulary. So first and foremost, something very important is consistency. So you cannot just read an entire newspaper just once a week and then expect your vocabulary to increase. So you have to be consistent. You have to read a newspaper daily, at least for 10 to 15 minutes, but do it daily. The next thing is there should be diversity in the topics that you read. You should read about different topics like politics or religion or fashion or because like when you are going to read about different topics, different domains, you are going to learn vocabulary associated with those particular topics or those particular domains. Okay. Now, in almost every newspaper, there's an activity section in which there are crossword puzzles and word search puzzles. So, these puzzles are a must for you if you want to improve your vocabulary. You should, like, when you are doing these puzzles, you should note down the words that you whose meaning you are unfamiliar with, and then have a journal with you, write the words down, and then search for their meanings, and keep a journal in that way. There are many newspapers that can be read for you to improve your vocabulary, or just because you like reading newspapers. So the most popular and interesting ones that I found were the New Yorker, the Atlantic, the Economist, and Arts and Letters Daily. So all of them have different specific specialties, and you don't even need to have a hard copy. You can go to their official websites and read online. And some of the content is free for you to use, and they have for the rest of the content you have to pay. And there are different ways of presenting the news. So like you might find the official website of one newspaper to be user-friendly and other to be cumbersome to use. Some content is free, and to get access to the rest of the content, you have to subscribe. For example, the New Yorker, which is my personal favorite, it has some articles that are for free, and to get access to more, you have to pay $1 a week. It's not that much, For the Atlantic, you can read 5 articles per month for free, and if you want to surf the newspaper further, then you'll have to pay. For the Economist, again, you can have access to some content that is free, and for the remaining content, you have to pay. Arts and Letters Daily, however, is a newspaper that is totally free, and you can access any article, all the articles, for free, absolutely free. And just like Arts and Letters Daily, this channel is absolutely free for you to subscribe. So if you found the video helpful, then subscribe my channel absolutely for free. For the part 2 of this video, in which we are going to talk about the books that are helpful for you to improve your vocabulary, press the bell icon so that you may be notified when that video is released on the channel. If you liked the video, then share it with your friends, and if you have any queries, then please comment below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today in this video. Until next time, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.